Hey guys, this is actually exclusive footage that you're only gonna see if I edit the video. Yeah. Okay. Right now, at this moment, they're literally at Callie's house watching freaking Squid Games. Yeah, that's right. Without me. Because I don't like Squid Games, actually. I'm gonna get flamed for not liking it, but pretty sure. What is the focus of this video gonna be even? I don't know. It's a mystery. Guess you guys are gonna have to find out. But we're making Pazuki, which is a giant cookie pie pretty much, and I made the dough last night. It's this is a big dough. It's actually, ow, it's really freaking hard as, ow, that actually really hurt. It's actually really hard as a rock. And guys, I bought all the ingredients for this. Let me show you guys. Whoa, whoa.
I've never used this cookie recipe for a cookie pie. I've only ever used it for regular cookies, so I hope it's
still fine. It probably will be. I thought I had a pie tin, but I only have a cake one. It's close enough. You know that they're probably so freaking bored without me? Because you know that I'm the life of the party. I also got whipped cream. Okay guys, this is the end of the exclusive footage that you're only gonna get if I edit the video.
If you as a group manage to push
Welcome to the vlog with Callie.
Do you think Jihan would die?
No. Nah, he's the main character. Okay, please, the pedophile. He always goes to kill someone and he's like, him with whatever.
I'm recording.
He's not gonna do it. What's your reaction?
It's very. He's scared.
Life changing. Say Björk.
Sabjok?
Take the phone. Is that it?
Riley needs to come here now.
Guys, we're literally gonna be bleaching shirts.
SpongeBob. The back. Ready?
Yes. Record my opening. My turn.
Sideways.
They just had it ruined.
Guys.
My name's SpongeBob and I don't look like SpongeBob.
Oh, yours is not perfect.
my name's SpongeBob.
Riley, look like you're being really satisfied. Look like you're being really satisfied.
Emily. I like playing Roblox.
You're a monster.
Have fun.
You know that cookie Pazuki?
Go watch our handshake video.
You know that Pazuki I told you about earlier? Go watch our handshake video. But we're assembling it right now.
I really wish I was
Did that just happen? Okay, so this is it, and we're gonna.
Should we do it right here?
Close. Gianna, nobody is in the frame. Okay, so basically it's 24 hours.
Stop! Mommy, stop!
For like 24 hours, so it's gonna. I can't even see my head.
I can't see mine either.
Guys,
John can definitely see her head though.
You can see your head.
no, I can't.
Callie, back up.
Yeah, Callie, back up.
Go
Yeah,
right
there you
there.
go.
Go there.
Oh my
No,
god.
I meant the Pizuki.
Pizuki. Oh, my back already hurts.
Sorry, guys. This is my normal posture. Oh, where's my buddy?
I would have loved to see that. So you didn't tell me.
Freak.
I spilled it on me.
No, like rock solid.
Ouch! It's still rock solid.
Kelly smashes me with the rock.
That's nice.
Ice.
Why does something make noise?
Oh, it's making noise for
Okay.
me.
Well, obviously, Beth. Oh, boy! No audio?
What?
Oh, boy, no. You don't know it?
No. You know what I'm about to do to Bob? Do to Bob. Hoy me, noi.
Nah. Shut up.
Don't tell me what to do.
In Spotify, you can like sing go Fiona.
Smells so good. Water. Oh, this is good. What are you doing? What? You know I'm scared of it. What? You know I'm scared of it. Of it?
Yeah.
The water bottle labeled water.
Yeah.
I want some. Not on me. I want the bottle.
You're just by me.
No, this for Riley.
Oh, it was Jiggle Ball.
I didn't swear. I'm supposed to be
You could have worded it better.
like the squid game. and it's the- You know when I'm the front man. I'm the front man.
And they went on anywhere.
He was like,
And what?
This.
Guess what?
This tin.
Oh my god.
No, I'm allergic.
to water.
To water.
Yep.
You know. I'm peeing. Stop, you're gonna make me fall. I want to spray your mouth, please. I want to try.
You just sprayed everywhere but my mouth. You just in my eyes.
Watching the children with the fully automatic. They like to push the weak around. Touching the children with the fully automatics. They like to push the weak around. Does everybody here like Nutella?
Why didn't I hear? Why can't I see?
Oh yeah, Lady was getting at this. Lady was in your bag sniffing it.
Everyone likes Nutella, right?
I had to remove myself from this situation before I pee my pants. I was thinking. How did you do that?
Guys,
It went in my ear.
everybody likes Nutella? Question mark?
Yes. Wait, what?
Everybody likes Nutella, right?
So no, you have to be like, what?
Yeah.
Give me the water.
So, I want to try. Okay.
Not every time you try something, you
No, I'm not gonna. Please, I swear. I know, I'm not spraying you, I'm spraying me.
You? Yes. Don't spray me.
Here's a gunpoint. Spawn, please, spawn.
Oh, I found it. Monkey.
That's cool.
Guys, look how bouncy my hair is.
It's a lot.
Okay. That's enough. Wait, I want to show this
Can I
something.
get my
I
glasses?
want to show that one video. Watering myself. Wait, where?
It's going all the way over your head. You're gonna have to get that.
Oh, it actually is your ceiling.
Yes! Stop!
Stop licking myself. I'm watering myself.
Let's grow together, twin. Let's grow together.
Okay. So I can't have some more.
What?
Hey, slime.
And Joss. Allergic.
Yeah. Stop. I'm wearing a white shirt.
Oh. I'm trying your face. Okay, sorry.
Alright, freaking crippled. Give me the bottle. Give me the bottle.
Just let me spray myself.
Stop walking away. I'm right here. Give me the freaking bottle.
Wait, what's that one on you? I was like,
What's
the freaking bottle?
What's my
What's my bottle? Spin the freaking
my
What's your favorite color other than purple?
Periwinkle. Periwinkle purple. Periwinkle purple.
Pink.
I got it right. Do you guys know that one video and it's like, what's your what's your favorite color? I bet it'll be the same as mine. Bro, I literally showed
Is it periwinkle purple?
Yeah, I showed
I just said that. I said periwinkle.
that video and then they hang up in his feet. on the
Periwinkle
iPad.
purple is my favorite shade of purple.
I know.
I said that. I said periwinkle. Purple. Okay. Purple green.
Lady.
Like he's shoving that book down her throat. I want to.
Oh my god, she's gonna choke.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Have you seen how I'm like
You want to
standing?
lick the spoon?
No. Have you even seen how I'm standing?
Curly. Okay, guys, does anybody want Oreos in this section?
What's my favorite color?
Guys, orange. Anyone?
Yeah.
Bro,
What's my favorite cat? What's my favorite animal?
No, not the cream.
Did you just say it out loud? Okay.
What's my favorite animal?
What do you like? Orange cats? Do you like orange cats?
Or
It's a cat,
Cats.
I was right.
Any kind of cat, but specifically orange. What's my...
hit the quan, hit the quan, hit the quan. So get down low to your arm. Get down low, hit the quan.
I was gonna say favorite eye color, but I don't even know.
Brown. That's your eye color.
Is there orange eye colors?
Probably amber. Amber, yeah.
What's my favorite eye color?
Amber? No, it's green. Mine.
Riley. What's my favorite FNAF character of all time? Wait, I don't even know that.
Yes, it is. You said golden Freddy. Well, she has another one. I know you were.
What's the other one?
I was gonna say
What's the other one?
Freaking no one. Bonnie.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
You said it was Nightmare Bonnie.
Not of all time.
We have a bug zapper. We have a bug zapper.
Okay.
My turn.
No, wait, no.
Anybody else? Anybody else Oreos in there?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know. Get this thing off me.
Do you want just the cookie or the frosting too?
What the? Wait,
cut it all.
what's my favorite Security Breach character?
What?
Wait, what's my favorite Security Breach character? Riley first.
Monty.
You said Monty
said
last
Monty.
time. Monty
said Monty.
Montgomery.
It's Glam Rock Bonnie.
You said Monty.
No, Monty's my two favorites.
Monty.
Monty or...
Okay, you didn't say that.
But Glam Rock Bonnie's better, superior.
Last time you said Monty was your favorite.
Like, what's in her mind? Because Gianna reminded me that he exists.
Riley said first.
No, Gianna reminded me that Glam Rock Bonnie exists. I remembered I wanted Glam Rock Bonnie.
Oh yeah, when I was in my pool.
So it's like 3.
3 Oreos.
3 slices.
Yeah, because it is.
We're having 4 slices. There's 4.
No, look. Like that and like that.
Oh.
Idiot.
Favorite.
Ooh, that hurt my neck.
Favorite drink.
Fanta. Orange.
You keep saying things before I say it, and now it sounds like I'm just copying.
Also, I think orange soda. Fanta.
What if it's not though? But I can't. What do you?
It's either that or lemonade.
Ooh,
You don't have more guess.
orange Fanta. Oh my god! You really think you were hoping I said
It's
something
my turn to
else?
ask. Drop it like it's hot.
Hi.
What's your favorite size of Freddy's 2 animatronic?
Bro.
Balloon boy.
I feel like it's not Twins. Oh, Balloon Boy, yeah.
I'll say Balloon Boy or
It is
Bonnie,
Balloon Boy.
or I'm gonna say
Because
Balloon
you said I would call you freaking love Balloon boy.
And you were him for Halloween.
My turn.
Well, it's either Balloon Boy or Wizard Foxy.
What's my favorite FNAF
I was gonna
character?
say Wizard
Freddy.
Bonnie. What they said. I have to stop being a follower. It's not working.
Oh, Twitch.
In my eyes. Golden Freddy.
Ah.
And Shadow Freddy.
Sideways. You know, but online.
What's my favorite animal?
Sorry guys, it got a little hot in here.
Name one of them or something. I have many.
Unicorn.
Monkey. Polar bear.
You're all right. What is my favorite drink?
Black pepper. Coffee.
You said
Oh,
Dr. Pepper.
coffee.
Oh, coffee.
I was like zoned out.
It's not my favorite anymore because I almost killed
My first shower.
3 more showers to Christmas.
1 more shower for Christmas. You're right.
What's my favorite season?
Of what? Like squid.
Of the year.
Autumn. No, winter. Wait, I don't know.
Autumn, you mean
Spring.
fall.
No, you don't like spring because it's falling.
Fall is same thing.
Pick your answer. You can only answer when I
Winter.
point the gun at you.
Oh, sorry.
Callie's right here.
Summer.
Oh my god. I didn't mean to do
Summer?
that yet.
Winter.
What is it?
Winter.
Winter.
I was gonna say that.
I like the peppermint
I was
mocha.
gonna say that because polar bears.
Okay, what is my favorite coffee creamer?
I don't know what that is.
French vanilla. French vanilla. Is that wrong?
I'm not pointing the gun at you.
Oh, you just did for a second.
Salmon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
French vanilla.
I'll take that. It's close to no, it's close to hazelnut or whatever it's called. I forget.
Close enough.
Okay, now it's Callie's turn.
No, I want to
I
ask
don't have
more.
any question. I can never mind.
What is my favorite Teen Titan character?
Star.
Not Star.
Beast Boy.
I feel bad now because that was kind of right,
I was like,
but it's not my favorite. I like him though.
I don't. Can I have 2?
let's say ominous. Ominous man.
One or get shot.
Silky.
Pro Silky.
I said, who was it? Robin? Cyborg?
I was going to say it.
I was gonna say Raven, but I was like, she's too emo.
But you were
know,
gonna say something stupid like Silky. You'd be like, Silky, Silky.
I know, I was like stupid or like emo.
Oh my gosh, she stuck it in my ear.
Okay,
Okay,
my turn.
No, I want to ask more. What's my favorite cake?
First one.
Strawberry shortcake.
Did you?
Cake. I didn't know that.
Red velvet? Did you? Am I wrong?
It is red velvet.
Say that, but then I saw Riley was right because Riley like knows
Gotta
everything
be a leader,
currently.
not a follower.
I was saying that in my head. Don't be a follower.
Okay, my turn.
Be a leader.
Bro, just
It
kidding.
wouldn't even be a genuity.
Riley doesn't have any, or Riley doesn't have any. Riley's cooking the cake.
Okay, well, hold it for her.
Molly, you can go after too long.
Okay,
What's
Molly,
my
like,
favorite?
This here's your slice.
Okay.
Here's Gianna's slice.
Are we gonna remember?
What's my bubble
I'll
tea
go like
order?
this.
Huh?
My bubble tea order.
I've never seen you get boba tea in here.
Yeah, me neither. Oh, strawberry kiwi
Strawberry kiwi.
with strawberry popping pearls.
What
What she said?
Gianna said.
She said.
Riley said.
Don't be a follower.
Okay. Ask the question. I'll spread.
Okay, well, I don't want to ask you the question first because I asked you like a few days ago, and I think that you'd remember.
I don't
What's
remember,
my favorite forest animal in Molly first?
I don't remember. It's the freaking mongoose thing. I don't know. I don't know what it's called.
Is it something super specific?
It is, and they're not even.
Okay, I
Like,
don't know.
Are they surviving?
they look like a mongoose, like a ferret.
Oh, a weasel.
A weasel.
I think I know what it's called.
What is it? A
A
mongoose.
maki. What is it called?
Monkey?
Wait,
Pokey.
I
Pokey.
think it starts with an F. Does it start with an F, Brian?
Frog.
No.
What does it start with? An S. Oh,
Sable.
No,
No, it starts with an M.
I thought it was Molly.
Malcanese.
No.
Malcanese.
I need a chair.
Riley, if it's super specific, I have no idea.
got it wrong.
What is it?
What is it?
It's a martin.
I said that. I have them in topping.
Okay. What is?
Me for ya. Me for my
Either one of my favorite Finance Freddy's characters. There's two.
Chica.
It's gotta be
Blackie.
Roxanne Wolf.
It's Chica.
Callie, what's your guess? I've never heard you talk about Finance Freddy's.
Like I don't ever hear you.
Me neither.
So,
Unless it's like
because you guys always actually make fun of me.
No, wait, if we make fun of you, we make fun of the character?
Yeah, I guess Chica.
I hate Chica. I hate Chica's brain passion.
I like Chica.
You?
Ugly.
I like Chica.
You?
I like.
I'm even.
Oh my god, I remember one time you guys actually made me cry because I told you my favorite my favorite character was Chica, and you guys were both attacking me. Like, get a new favorite character. Let's calm it down.
Are you adding your eye?
Yes,
Like,
You're turning
or it's like,
Gianna, why are you being a hypocrite when you like Chica? Yeah.
That's what I said. I like Chica.
It was in like
started
7th grade. It was in like 7th grade.
I said I don't
And you
really
guys were
like
having
the
a
other
sleepover
ones.
without me. And you guys were both hating on me. Every single time you guys slept over.
What? I hate it when Molly slept over my house in 7th grade.
In 7th grade specifically.
Because she would always tear my bed apart and hide the pieces of my bed. and
put them in my pants.
And she would also always
in my back pocket.
and she would get me yelled at.
Okay guys, who wants this on their time?
No.
And then you were like, come over.
Molly, do you want to?
Only a little
Riley,
bit.
do you have another
Like
question? Oh yeah, what's your question?
You can get my
Stop
bracelet.
making everyone feel bad for something that happened years ago.
Oh, it's really tight.
No, and why?
It's not.
Like,
Slim dog hair.
do you see that she abuses me? What's your question?
What is this abusive?
What's your
No, I was
question?
drinking her.
I don't want it. I'm scared. I thought you were like,
Question.
peculiar.
One of my dream hair colors. It's consists of two colors.
Neapolitan.
Neapolitan.
Callie, can we
No calico hair. No.
Can you tell me if it has red in it?
Green and blue.
Green and blue.
Red and yellow.
Red. Okay.
Pomegranate.
Blue and green? I've talked about it a few times.
Dark blue. Oh, I don't know. I don't pay attention when you talk.
Blue and
I
green?
do. I just forget. I don't know.
No, it's definitely not blue and green.
She surprised that she never dyed her hair green.
What is it?
There's 3 ones. Okay, guys.
Neapolitan.
Red and something.
I told Callie that it has no red.
Well, I don't know that. Blue and green?
You say your favorite color.
It's Neapolitan,
I'm
right?
sticking with blue and green.
What is it? What is it? Okay, everyone's wrong. What is it? Oh. Okay.
Wrong.
So first, number 1. Stop it. Blue with white highlights. Number 2, blue with orange highlights.
I said blue and
Orange.
Did?
No, you did not.
Ginger.
Post it in your head.
I said something in orange. I can't remember.
You said like
You
gold.
said calico hair.
Look at our pizzicky.
That was good. What is that? Is that a real thing or you just made it up?
It's real. Wait, I'll let you try a bit of flip. Okay, guys, we're gonna let it cook. Ah, Gianna sprayed my back with water.
Okay, guys, we just woke up.
I did not just woke up.
Well, we just woke up like an hour ago.
Baka baka baka. How about record yourself?
Okay, guys, we forgot to.
Fiend is texting me.
Bruh, I hate Fiend.
You can't. It's
Okay, guys, we forgot to film a little bit of last night.
It was crazy. It was a party.
Yeah. Camera.
I gave her a hug.
She's abusing me behind the camera.
I gave her a hug.
Please.
You don't get the vlog camera. No, it's
This is our last moments in Callie's house.
I miss you.
goodbye.
My mommy's here. Bye. Also, my face painted because we did face paint.